Mabuhay everybody! My name is Cindy. Welcome to our channel. I married a foreigner. Hello guys! Good morning everybody. So we are here today. I've already cleaned up guys and it's already nearly 8:30, 10 past 8. So um I come up here because I already had enough sleep. Normally at this time I still like to lie down and take a break, have a rest. But this time I had enough rest, so I just try to do things that I'd like to do. I bought some curtains. Actually, this is you buy three and you get three for free. So that's what I did, and it's actually went six. So they are right because sometimes you are not sure if they're really coming in that order. And I also bought feet for the chairs. Mm, This is the socks for the chairs. So I bought 8 packs because one pack is four, meaning it's for one chair. Last time I ordered 8 and my feet is 32. So I only ordered 4. So it's not enough. So this time I ordered enough. This is socks for the chairs. Those chairs there. Yeah. So we're gonna put socks on them. And what else did I bought? This arrived. Oh my god, I put it away already, guys. Yeah, I forgot. So this one it arrived. I got 10 of this because I bought 10 of the green table napkin. So I have to order another color of table napkin, maybe for Christmas, that occasion, a pink or a blue, for birthdays. So yeah, but the gold will not change, but just the color to match with the occasion. So this is for me and daddy. I'm just trialing it what it looks like, but I'd like to dress the table even just for us because I hardly ever use it. So to be able to use these things, I have to use it in our life, everyday use, which is only a display. This one, but when we were working, I don't have time for that to do it because oh my god, we are at work. When we get at home, we throw everything. I need to eat in a hurry. But this time that we are not working, we are here in the Philippines. I can do that. Take our time. So yeah. So this is one of the reasons that enjoying life here in the Philippines is easy if you are here. So okay guys, good morning everybody. Okay, so I got my microphone. I actually ordered another microphone and I spill my food. I'll clean it. Wait. This the heck? I spilled it in my good plate. Huh? Plastic. It's easy to clean. Okay. So anyway, I just use that to display, guys. As you know. All right. So we are in this video. I would like to share with you guys, if I can, the reason why we left Australia. Okay. So first of all, when we left Australia, I was only 57, and Daddy Musi is only 51. Yeah, 51. So we've been here in the Philippines for nearly 4 years, but we traveled to Australia maybe 5 times. Because sometimes one year we travel twice for paperwork like passport. We have to renew. We didn't bother renewing it in Manila because it's easy to renew it in Australia if you are there in Australian soil. Being an Australian citizen, we carry our Australian passport. and I'm a dual citizen. I carry my papers all the time, which is they already logged it in the system, but sometimes you just have to show it because they ask for it at the airport. So I carry that and I carry my passport. And sometimes we renew our papers like Medicare card, excuse me, driver's license. It's easy to renew there than online. You could probably, but you know, easier for us. Without those, hmm, then we're good here. And pick up our cards from the bank, our key card. Yeah. So main reason that we are here, we choose Philippines. We've been at work for so long, nearly 30 years, and the condition of our physical health is we can feel all the pain, we can sort of feel the tiredness, and all of that. I can feel it, guys. My body is like, it's not the same like when I was younger, and we work in the factory of chicken, and we work in the farm also of chicken, and we also work in the farm of picking fruits, apples, not so much with grapes, apples and uh, cherries. Also pruning apple trees and things like that. We've done that. That's accompanied with our work at the same time. We've actually we actually sort of had a break from work for certain time, maybe a year, and come back again. To do the farm work, we had a break. So anyway, that is the main reason why we chose. If we stayed in Australia, we can't stop work. We've been working for so long. We have a house, we own our house. We're paying a mortgage, but only a small amount of mortgage. We're paying for our car. Every 5 years, we not to, not to get a car, but it's just a situation that you gotta get a car because we travel like nearly 100 k's our car uses a day because we live far. But that's only short traveling, 30 minutes to go to work in 100 speed. It's quite a long way. So it took a toll to our health. So we decided. But before that, I already been counting everything. I've watched YouTube channel. I've watched Ricky. I've watched Ned, in Dumaguete. How do they live there? They tell you how much money they need, which is very handy. That's why budget in the Philippines, a real budget is important for us to watch if we are planning to move to Philippines. The reason why we don't do a budget, because our budget is all over the place. I think I get an idea what you need to live here in the Philippines. But because we're still on a settle mode, in the living here, we got so many things to still buy, still achieve. And we own our own home, so we don't need to pay rent. So the way I see it, if I pay rent in a house like this, like 30,000 a month, I can spend that onto the house and develop the house into a better one, which we did, or buy our stuff. So yeah, that's why we are here in the Philippines. We chose. So budget is very important if you're planning to move here. So I've watched all the videos, but my husband never did. He was not interested to move here. But at the end of the day, he was the one who got really pushing to say to me, let's go. And I was surprised because I sort of not ready financially. A little bit, but not 100%. So I said, okay, how could I work this out? So lucky, um, I got this so many ideas that the YouTube have given me, all the budgets they have given me, and I actually realized, oh, I can live there. We both can live there really cheaply, and we don't need to go to work because in Australia you have to work. At our age, we have to work. They will not give you social security money if your reason is I don't want to work. So we're out, so we have to work. So here we don't receive any money from the government in Australia. We're spending our own savings. So just spend it sparingly so it will last long, long time. So yeah, we've been here nearly four. We arrived here in 2022. So nearly 4 years in August. Yeah. But in a couple of months, we'll be back to Australia to do some renewal of our licenses again. We already got our ticket booked. So that's good to go. And I think after that, we're head to Vietnam for a week. So yeah, so that's why we have to, well, myself, I had to study how much money do we need, what can we buy, what can we do. And then I present it to my husband because my husband don't know anything. He's relying on me. So I said, we did, and just go, yeah, yeah, yeah. And I was thinking to myself, oh, Jesus Christ, I hope it's going to work. Because if this is not gonna work, I'm in trouble. So far so good. We've been here 4 years, and we got a little bit of fuel in the tank left, to stay here for quite a while. So as long as my budgeting is not going to slip, into trouble, then we're good. But here, because we own our own home and we don't owe anything in the bank, we own our own cars, motorcycles, everything we buy it cash. And that was my plan. I put away money for that so we can have those things. So we got two Suzuki and we love our cars. They're very good to us and even our drivers love it, you know. They're good. They're good vehicles. I cannot explain, but everybody have their own choice. So yeah, we did not buy a brand new Ute or things like that because we think it's not worth it. The road is so tiny. What you gonna do there? So we sort of blend in, with our Suzuki, we go everywhere. And we can carry, if the car can carry 5 people, we can carry more. We're winning. So yeah. And I noticed here when we arrived, I observed the way of life that the people have here, because it's a little bit different than when I left when I was only 20 years old. Um, I have noticed some of the occasions that the people come home and they are not citizen in other countries. They just work there. When they come home here, the first day they come home, they're so happy. They have a house. They have a brand new car. They have a spare land. And after about 6 months, they've lost everything. And I wonder, oh my God, what happened? Why did they lost everything? Then they told me the car is owing in the bank, the house is owing in the bank, and the land is owing in the bank. I said, oh, that's why. So you wouldn't be able to keep up if you don't have job, all the payments. So it's best to come here, clean money, no owing, no debt, no nothing. So in my case, I had to get rid of the things that is a burden for us money-wise. No, nothing, no debt, nothing. All our credit cards are fully paid. I've used our credit cards once, but when I got home, I paid it straight away. When we were out and I needed the money, oh my God. So when we got home, only like a couple of hours, I paid it in the bank straight away through my app. So yes, so far so good, and those things, guys, for the people that are watching this is all our own choices. We cannot teach people if they don't listen. So you do your own research, you do your own thing. But if you are a couple to come here, Filipino, it's easy. as long as the family don't, you know, attack you for money, money, money. You can't stop it by saying in the beginning, no. So be it. If they are your enemies, at least you know early, you know. If they only like you for your money, you know. So if your husband is foreigner, depends if he enjoys the weather, if he likes the noise, so many things to consider, you know, if he's happy here, that his money, his pension is enough. American have their pension and British, I'm not sure. I think so. If British will have their pension here, why Philippines don't have the pension here? I don't know. Comment down below, guys, because I got no idea. I enjoy it every day. I can clean the house all day. I don't want to go anywhere. I just want to clean the house, cook, you know, eat. But because I have my husband, I have to ask him, "Are you okay? You want to go to drive motorbike, or can I take you to the mall so we can have lunch?" You know, and he can see outside. Okay, but also sometimes he goes for motorbike ride. I said, just go if I'm busy, just close by, so you don't get bored at home. So he goes, comes back. Sometimes he's soaking wet, and he laughed. He said, "I'm wet. It's raining." I said, "That's good. You enjoy the rain." He said, "Yes." All those things like stormy season, you know, and we have to adapt everything here. More relaxed, not work all the time because we've been doing that for a long, long time. I think it's not cheating. We are not cheating to ourselves or to anybody, that we are living nicely and comfortably and happy. I think it's not cheating. I think it's your own choice to be like that. I don't really sort of show, you know, what the charity work that we do, because I feel I don't know what to say. But in my Facebook, I try to post it there for memories, so it reminds me the following year. And in our page, I try, but I know so many there that we did not put. And also, I just put in the story just to put it there, just to remember next time. Yeah, so it's not that we don't share to our community, because that's one of our very, very main reason. I said, I want to help, you know, for the right people. I've always been helping my family members. I've always been helping. So I want to help a bit more people that I can reach. I have been praying and still praying, you know, that the Lord will guide me to find the right people. And He did. He gave us right people, right place, you know, right happiness. Trust yourself and trust the prayers. Trust God. He will guide you for sure, guys. Really. I'm so, so blessed. So yeah, so this is why we chose Philippines. This is our video sharing to you why we stop work, why we chose here, you know. So there's still, you know, a little bit more to explore of Philippines, but rather than that, life is good for us. Really, guys, we only live once. Yes, the wings with vinegar. Wings with vinegar. Pila bayad? Uy, dito ka sa front. Eh, neighbor nami. Thank you guys for watching our channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And we shall see you in our next vlog. Bye!
Thank you for watching. Bye bye now.